Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you searching for the perfect PDF reader app for your Android device? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring 3 of the best PDF reader apps available that cater to different needs, whether you seek simplicity, comprehensive editing tools, or lightning-fast performance. Let's dive into these apps and find the one that suits your reading and document management style. Simple PDF Reader. Simple PDF Reader is an intuitive and user-friendly app designed for those who need a straightforward solution for reading PDF documents. With a clean interface, this app allows users to easily open and navigate through PDF files without any distractions. It supports various features such as zooming, text search, and bookmarking, making it convenient for users to find specific content quickly. Users can also add just the brightness and choose between different viewing modes, including a night mode for comfortable reading in low-light conditions. Simple PDF Reader focuses on simplicity and efficiency, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a hassle-free PDF reading experience. PDF Reader All PDF Tools. PDF Reader All PDF Tools is a comprehensive app that offers a wide range of features for managing PDF files. In addition to basic reading capabilities, it includes tools for editing, annotating, and converting PDFs. Users can highlight text, add notes, and draw on PDF documents, making it ideal for students and professionals who need to review and comment on their files. The app also supports cloud integration, allowing users to access their PDFs from various cloud storage services. With a built-in file manager, PDF Reader All PDF Tools simplifies the process of organizing and locating your documents, making it an excellent all-in-one solution for handling PDF files. Fast PDF Reader. Fast PDF Reader is designed for users who prioritize speed and efficiency when working with PDF documents. This app is lightweight, ensuring quick opening times and smooth navigation, even with large files. Fast PDF Reader offers essential features such as searching, zooming, and bookmarking, allowing users to manage their reading experience effortlessly. It also provides a night mode option for comfortable reading under different lighting conditions. With its focus on performance, Fast PDF Reader is perfect for those who want a fast, no-frills PDF reading app that gets the job done without compromising on functionality. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best PDF Reader apps helps you find the perfect tool for managing your PDF documents effectively. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more app recommendations and tech tips. Which app are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy reading!